All right, good morning, parents and students. This is Mr. King. Today in this video, I will be going over in detail, one, how to get logged into your Google Classroom account, and then two, how to complete and turn in assignments. I know a lot of you are having difficulty being able to do both, so I hope this video can help you get through this process. So one, when you log into Google here, what you're going to do, and I'll be using my daughter's account, what you're going to do is click, there should be a little icon right here. Now we're under my daughter's account, but if you are not logged into your sweetwaterschools.net account, you will need to be able to have a Google Classroom. So what you're going to do is use, again, your sweetwaterschools.net email, type in your password, and you should be logged into this account. As you notice, there are other accounts here, but we want to be logged into your sweetwaterschools.net account. Okay, once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on these 6 dots. Okay, and what that's going to do is show you a list of things. You're going to go ahead and click on Classroom, okay, which is Google Classroom. Now, once you've done that, it's going to take you to a list of classes that you're currently in. You're going to go ahead and click on Summer 2020 King, Mr. King's class. And then that's going to take you to your main page. Now, to get to your assignments, you're going to go ahead and press Classwork. Now, listed up now is our Week 1 Human Geography. As you can see, you have 3 assignments due. Okay, and for right now, we're just going to go ahead and click on Assignment 1. Okay, now what that's going to do is take you to the website and also the document that you need to complete. So what you're going to go ahead and do, once you've looked over the website, you're going to click on the document. You're going to go ahead and answer the questions. Okay, now once you've completed the document and completed the assignment, what you're going to do is you're going to press File. Okay, again from here you're going to press File and down to Make Copy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to take you to this. You leave it as it is. Okay, it's going to go ahead and say your name and what is geography. You're going to press OK. It's going to load you to the same, almost the same exact page as you can see here. Now, once you've done that, you need to go back to your Google Classroom. So I'm up here. You're going to move over to your Google Classroom account. Okay. Again, from here, you're going to go over back to Google Classroom. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click on View Assignment. Okay. And from here, what you're going to be able to do, okay, is add, and you're going to press Google Drive. Okay. You're going to click on the most recent copy that we made, which is right here. It's still going to be the one to your farthest left, okay, under Today, and you're going to click Add. Once you've done that, all you have to do, as you notice it's loading, you're going to press Turn In, okay? It's going to say you have 2 attachments, that's fine, and you press Turn In again, and you're good to go, okay? Once you've submitted, I'll get a notification that you turned in your assignment. I'll go ahead and look it over and provide any feedback if need be. Again, guys, if you have any questions, I hope this answered all your questions. But if you do still have more questions, feel free to call me or email me. And I hope that you guys have an amazing week. Thank you so much.